Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of TikTok Shop in 2025, you're in for a treat with all the new coupon features designed to help you save big. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to claim those coupons and make your shopping experience even more rewarding. Whether you're a TikTok newbie or a seasoned shopper, this guide will get you up to speed quickly. First things first, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest 2025 version. TikTok has rolled out enhancements for better security and user experience, so head to your app store, update if needed, and let's get started. Once you're all set, open the TikTok app and log into your account. If you don't have one, creating it is super easy and free. Next, tap on the Shop tab at the bottom of your screen. It's the one that looks like a shopping bag. This is your gateway to all the deals. Now, browse through the products or search for something specific using the search bar. Keep an eye out for items with coupon badges. In 2025, TikTok has made these more prominent with colorful tags and notifications. When you find a product you like, tap on it to view details. You'll see a Coupons or Offers section. Click that to see available discounts. Select the coupon you want. Some might require you to verify your eligibility, like being a first-time buyer or following a creator. Once selected, add the item to your cart. Head to your cart and proceed to checkout. Here, you'll apply the coupon automatically if it's set up that way, or manually enter a code if prompted. Double-check your total savings before confirming your payment. TikTok Shop now supports more payment options in 2025, including integrated wallets for faster transactions. And just like that, you're done. Your order will be processed, and you'll see the discount reflected in your final amount. Remember, coupons might have expiration dates or usage limits, so act fast. Shopping on TikTok Shop is not only fun but also a smart way to save money. If you follow these steps, you'll be claiming coupons like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more 2025 tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.